Welcome to our 6-minute guide on pregnancy sleeping mistakes to avoid. Getting quality sleep during pregnancy is crucial for both you and your baby. This video will cover common pitfalls and provide practical tips to ensure you get the rest you need. We'll identify key mistakes expectant mothers often make and offer actionable advice to improve your sleep quality. Pregnancy brings a lot of changes, and sleep can become a real challenge. From hormonal shifts to physical discomfort, many factors can disrupt your once peaceful nights. It's common to feel tired, but also find it hard to actually sleep. This guide is for expectant mothers who want to understand common sleep problems and find effective solutions. One of the most common and important mistakes is sleeping on your back, also known as the supine position. While it might feel comfortable in early pregnancy, it can become risky as your pregnancy progresses, especially after the first trimester. We'll explain why this position can be detrimental to both you and your baby. After the first trimester, sleeping on your back can put pressure on major blood vessels, specifically the vena cava, which carries blood back to your heart from your lower body. This can restrict blood flow to your baby and lead to symptoms like dizziness, shortness of breath, and even dangerously low blood pressure for you. It's vital to understand these risks to make informed choices about your sleep position. Another significant mistake is not prioritizing sleep quality. Many pregnant women think they can, quote, catch up on sleep later, or they might feel too busy to ensure they're getting enough restful sleep. However, neglecting sleep quality can have serious consequences for your energy levels, mood, and overall health throughout your pregnancy. Rest is not a luxury during pregnancy, it's a necessity. Your body is working incredibly hard to grow a new life, and adequate sleep supports this immense effort. It helps your body repair, rebuild, and prepare for childbirth. Think of sleep as a crucial part of your prenatal care plan. Poor sleep can lead to a host of health issues during pregnancy, including increased risk of gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, and higher rates of C-sections. It can also exacerbate common pregnancy discomforts like fatigue, nausea, and mood swings. Ensuring good sleep is key to mitigating these risks and having a healthier pregnancy journey. Ignoring discomfort and pain is another common mistake. Pregnancy comes with its share of aches and pains. Back pain, hip pain, round ligament pain, and restless legs are all common. Many women try to tough it out, but ignoring these issues can severely impact your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. We'll explore how to address these discomforts effectively. Common aches like lower back pain, hip pain from the widening pelvis, and even carpal tunnel syndrome can make finding a comfortable sleeping position nearly impossible. Additionally, conditions like restless leg syndrome can keep you awake and frustrated. Understanding these common issues is the first step to finding relief. To alleviate these pains for better sleep, consider using pregnancy pillows to support your belly and back. Regular prenatal yoga or gentle stretching can also help. Applying warm compresses to sore areas and engaging in light exercise can also provide significant relief, ensuring a more comfortable night's rest. Not adjusting your sleep environment is a mistake many people make, even outside of pregnancy. However, during pregnancy, your body is more sensitive to external factors. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep, optimized for comfort and relaxation. Neglecting this can make falling and staying asleep much harder. Focus on optimal room temperature, typically between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure your room is dark and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress that provides good support. And consider a body pillow or wedge pillows for added comfort and support for your growing belly and back. These small changes can make a big difference. Consuming stimulants, especially close to bedtime, is a definite no-go. This includes obvious culprits like caffeine, but also hidden sources in some foods, and even certain medications. Many pregnant women might not realize how long these stimulants stay in their system and disrupt their natural sleep cycle. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and some sodas, can stay in your system for hours, keeping you awake. Similarly, sugary snacks before bed can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, disrupting sleep. Opt for calming herbal teas or warm milk, and avoid heavy, sugary meals in the evening to allow your body to wind down naturally. An irregular sleep schedule is another common mistake. While it might be tempting to sleep in on weekends or take long, unphased structured naps, consistency is key to regulating your body's internal clock. Disruption can make it harder to fall asleep when you actually need to. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends, helps regulate your circadian rhythm. This consistency signals to your body when it's time to be awake and when it's time to sleep, making the process much smoother and leading to more restful nights. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Overlooking hydration and late-night eating can also impact your sleep. While staying hydrated is crucial during pregnancy, timing your fluid intake matters. Similarly, what and when you eat before bed can lead to discomfort, heartburn, or frequent bathroom trips that disrupt sleep. Aim to drink most of your fluids earlier in the day and reduce intake a few hours before bedtime to minimize nighttime bathroom visits. Avoid large, heavy, spicy, or acidic meals close to bedtime, as these can trigger heartburn or indigestion. Opt for light, easily digestible snacks if you're hungry before sleep. Finally, neglecting your emotional well-being is a significant oversight. Pregnancy can be a time of immense joy, but also heightened stress, anxiety, and even depression. These emotional factors can severely impact your sleep quality, leading to restless nights and difficulty falling asleep. Stress and anxiety can trigger your body's fight-or-flight response, making it difficult to relax for sleep. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your nightly routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, gentle prenatal yoga, or reading a calming book. Consider talking to a therapist or joining a support group if you're struggling with emotional challenges. You've learned about common pregnancy sleeping mistakes: back sleeping, neglecting sleep quality, ignoring discomfort, not adjusting your environment, consuming stimulants, irregular schedules, late-night eating, and neglecting emotional well-being. By avoiding these pitfalls and implementing the tips shared, you can significantly improve your sleep during pregnancy. Prioritize your rest for a healthier, happier journey to motherhood. Sweet dreams.